more than 150 years of the tradition of this unique carnival masks from the Croatia. They call Didi from the Kamešnica in translation, but they mean in Croatian Didi's Kamešnice, like grandfathers from the Kamešnica. We are first time here. Now for 6 years, Alka of Sinj, also nightly game, they also participate in Sartiglia each year in Oristano, here in beautiful town, and they also presenting our tradition 300 years old. It's very important to spread our culture, our difference, because we are unique as much as others, as much as you. So if we connect these identities that we have, it's something that we treasure. It's like representing ourselves to the world, and it's easier if we are together. It's easier to present our togethership.